Clearly talking. That's clearly a phone. I can see the shiny screen. I can see the case. He's just stalled the car. He's having a conversation. No one else in the car, in the van. YP18XHU. Yankee Papa 18 X-ray hotel uniform. He was quite clearly talking to the phone. The phone was held up to his mouth in speakerphone style configuration. You know, this kind of modern way of talking on the phone. There was no one else in the front of the van with him. He was so distracted he stalled the van when he saw me and moved forwards. And that, I believe, is because of his phone conversation.